Hello everyone, welcome to Cabbage Patch Soap. My name is Laura, and today I am making sweet pea soap. It's part of the Spring Fling collection, which is available April 1st. These are the colors I'll be using. I'm just moving them off to the side. It's going to be 2 shades of pink and a purple. I chose these colors and this design based on the sweet pea flower. I just thought they're really pretty, and I thought it would be a cute design concept in a soap. So here I'm just mixing the lye water in with the oils, and then I'm going to divide it up into 3 containers. There's the pink and the purple, and this is the fragrance. This fragrance has a very crisp and clean scent to it. It's very nice. It doesn't smell like sweet pea flowers though. So I'm just going to blend this in and then divide up the colors. So I've put in the pink and the purple, and then the second pink is just going to go in the main container that I'm using. And these are mica colors, and I'm just going to use them dry. All the base oils I use for my soap are organic and vegan. So I've got the dark pink and the light pink mixed up, and then I'll do the purple last. I'm just going to be pouring these in. I'm going to do kind of a drop swirl. I'm also going to swirl it with a chopstick in the end as well. Here I'm just tapping out some of the air bubbles. And this is a chopstick. I'm just going to swirl the colors inside a little bit. And then I want to clean up the edges and get that soap batter back into the mold. And then I'm just going to dust the top with gold. And then afterwards I'm going to texture the top. So here I'm just going to give the top some texture. And then we're also going to put a drizzle on top. This is a really pretty teal color. And this is to represent the greenery of the flower. I'm just going to do a little bit of swirling. And here's a close-up of the wet soap. I'm just going to come back the next day to cut it. This is one of the best parts, getting to see what the soap looks like on the inside. Here's the first bar. I really like how the colors look together. And this smells really good. It smells really nice and clean and fresh. This is the second bar. And this is the third bar. And then of course the end pieces, I will cut them up and use them as samples. If you like this video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing, and feel free to share it. It really helps me out. I upload every Monday and Thursday. And again, this sweet pea soap will be available April 1st, and it's part of the Spring Fling collection. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.